Okay, so before I begin, I want to greet my family there who came in our celebration to celebrate with us for our special memories in our graduation. My grandmother, my grandfather, my family there, my family's cousin. Agyaman na nakapangkayot ang graduation ko. Okay, so my speech is titled From Struggle to Success. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, teachers, and my fellow candidates for this graduation, I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit filled with inspiration. Today, I want my speech to be professional as it is a graduation speech to all of us. But more importantly, I want it to be inspiring and filled with things so who have been part of my journey. Okay, so as I stand here, my story reflects resilience amid adversity. I was raised by a single mother battling with lupus. I witnessed her sacrifices, her strength, and how she handled every situation very toughly. Well, it made me cry while writing this speech though. So I remember being called Aling Tinderang Maliit when I was 5, where I literally sold everything just to make money as my bound sa school. I was shy na humingi ng baon ko sa mama ko because I know kung gaano kahirap kitain ng pera. Lalo na hindi na dapat siya magtrabaho because of her condition. Yet, she did everything she can for me, for my little brother, for us. So, despite the challenges we face, I never saw mama giving up. And her determination became my guiding light. Her resilience taught me the importance of perseverance and hard work. Those things I saw in her shape me into the person what I am today. In my junior high school years, I encountered early struggles and self-doubt. However, senior high school revealed my potential, igniting fire with me to strive for excellence. Kasi naisip ko, wow, ang ganda para mag-aral. Napakabuti para mag-aral kung pagbubuti mo pa talaga sa senior high school. So, sa mga may katulad ko may pangarap dyan, continue to try. Never doubt on yourself. Kasi every day, just pray to God. So, it was during this time that I discovered my passion and purpose with my study buddy. I know he knows himself. So, yeah, I remember every opportunity to grow and learn. As the saying goes, the only limit to our realization for tomorrow will be our doubts of today. This quote resonates deeply with my journey and serves as a reminder to never underestimate my capabilities. Through it all, I felt the guidance and presence of God. He has been my source of strength and comfort, especially during the toughest times. I am grateful for His feelings and the faith that has kept me moving forward. I also want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to my alma mater, Inoma National High School. This school has been more than just a place of learning. It's been a community that has provided with the foundation and support I needed to reach this milestone. Today, I stand here grateful for the journey that led me to this moment, especially to my inspiring teachers. Ma'am Caitlin Estuesta, you really taught me well and boosted my confidence in public speaking superbly. I'm so grateful with that. And to Ma'am Rizal Fontanilla, thank you for being my problem solver and my companion during my lowest times. And to Ma'am Meljik Jacinto, thank you for being a kind and understandable and lovely teacher for us. To Sir Steven Miming, you made difficult things easy to understand. To Sir Christian De La Rosa, thank you for making our school special and unique for us. And to Ma'am Ronaldin Gagarin, my SSLG advisor, thank you for always supporting me, especially when I was feeling down. And of course, to my advisor, Sir Richmond Quijano, words can express how thankful I am to you. You are supportive and down to earth, and I will miss you dearly. Kung pwede lang, dadalhin lang ka namin sa college. Okay, so to my friends, Ian Sambok, Dario Henyo, Abigail Giyang, Abigail Mauricio, Jezabel Galano, Micaela Villa, and to all my loving family, and to those people who become part of my life. Thank you all for being there during my lowest moments. Your presence in my life has been a source of strength and joy. Your unwavering support, guidance, and belief in me have been instrumental in my success. It is through their encouragement that I have been able to overcome obstacles and achieve my goals. I am forever thankful to their impact on my life and for helping me become the person what I am or what you guys see in me today. As we embark on this new chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the lessons learned, the memories shared, and the gratitude we felt. Let us continue to strive for greatness, to embrace challenges with resilience, and to always be thankful for those who have supported us along the way. Remember, our journey does not end here. It is just the beginning of greater things to come. Again, thank you everyone who has been a part of my journey. Let us inspire, continue to thrive, and above all, be grateful for the blessings in our lives. Again, congratulations to the class of 2023-2024.